Do you want to know how you can access the blog site of 1xBet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the blog site of 1xBet. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and then search for 1xbet.com. After you search for 1xbet.com, this site will open up. Now what you need to do is go ahead and log into your account, and the next step is to click on More, which is over here, and you can see under the help option there is blog. Go ahead and click on blog, and you can see that this blog site of 1xBet will open up. There are some really interesting articles about some blogs. So let's suppose you want to read this blog. Just go ahead and click on it, and you can see this article is about how online slots are created. You can see the in detailed version of it if you just scroll down, and you can see there are some options over here like join the hunt with the last quack of Mancala Gaming or the top 5 Easter slots. So you can go ahead and check these out, guys. It will be quite interesting to read the blogs provided by 1xBet. So if you want to read something about football, just go ahead and click on football, which you had just seen on the left hand side. And if there are some things about football and some blogs about football or any of the games, it will show up. So guys, this is how you check out or access the blog channel of 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.